Welcome to Shojibul's English Care. Would like with infinitive, would like with noun. Let's go to practice would like with infinitive. I would like to go. He would like to play. She would like to dance. They would like to know. Would you like to dance with me? No. I wouldn't like to dance with you. Let's go to practice would like with noun. Would you like a cup of coffee? No. I wouldn't like coffee now. I would like a cup of tea. Would they like the last opportunity? Yes. They would like the last opportunity from you. Our regular events is speaking English just 2 minutes. All the best.